The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. Hi guys, my name is Steph. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my voice surgery at Yezon Voice Center. And I wanted to talk to you about how my voice has incredibly changed in the last 3 years. So I want you to understand that it's not easy to get the surgery because you have to save up a lot of money. And it costs like around $7,800 in US dollars just to get this voice surgery at Yezon Voice Center. So Yezon has done an incredible job for me. Baby boy, it was our first time. Don't scare for night. Don't scare for night. Baby boy, it was our first time. Hate each other, make each other, I don't know. You let me through the night. You let me through the night. I don't care for you. Let me through the night for the first time. Baby boy, it was our first love. Don't scare for nine. Don't scare for nine. Love is like a wind after it blows to dust. Can't stop the rhythm strings. No one can cope with us. Since you went away, my soul is burning sand. The dark cloud is landing down. I'm slowly fade away. This secret lake is falling deep down to the ocean. Baby, my world is breaking down. Love is fast just like a tornado sound. I can't stop the storm, it's too late for escape. Baby, help me, I need you to be here. Baby, help, I need you to be here. Found love when your heart was broke. I feel you come to you overflow. Took it so far to keep you close. I was the one to leave you on your own. You don't have to be my boyfriend. We can make it out like we're best friend. You are the only one that I cares to fall in love with you. So don't mess with my feelings. You know I do care for you. Don't doubt me, babe, when I'm here for you. 'Cause I wanna be your girlfriend. So this is what I can do with my voice because I sing random songs, and I just wanted to show you that when you get a voice surgery, it's not all about singing. It's about like the resonance that you can make your sound with, and how you predict your song, and how you predict your voice, and how you sing is up to you, because everyone has a different voice range and they don't really have, the same capacity as how it is.